Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to set up UAD console. Firstly, download the latest UAD software from Universal Audio's website. Install it on your Mac or Windows PC, then restart your computer after installation. Use the Thunderbolt or USB cable to power it on. Open the console app. It installs automatically with UAD software. Console acts like a virtual mixing desk. It routes audio through your Apollo, lets you insert real-time UAD plugins, adjust levels, monitor your inputs, and more. In your DAO, Ableton, Logic, Pro Tools, etc., go to Audio Settings and set Input and Output Device to UAD Apollo. Now your mic or instrument goes through the Apollo console and into your DAW. You can save presets of your console setup. It is useful if you have a favorite vocal chain or instrument setup. At this point, you're ready to record, monitor, and mix using the power of UAD plugins. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.